you know? It's just like I've been busy, like so much has been going on, and I know I want to film. In the back of my mind I want to film, I want to upload, you know, like I want to show you guys my interesting life. You know, I'm always up and doing something, and I don't know, I'm like, I just don't have time to film. And then I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna film and see, you know, just capture whatever I can get, and then, you know, hopefully I have time to edit it. And then by the end of the night I am exhausted, the kids are sleeping, the dogs are put away, and I'm thinking, should I get up and film? But then reality hits, and guess what? My filming setup, my desk area, as you guys can notice, I'm in a totally different setup right now. This is actually my bedroom. Over there, chaos. So right now, today is Wednesday, June 20th, 2018, and I'm lying. Today's Tuesday. Yes. Sorry. Today's Tuesday. Rewind. Today's Tuesday. And I'm not kidding you, it's probably midnight. The kids are in the living room. You know, some of the friends are spending the night, so they're watching a movie. And I came over here and thought I would take advantage of this opportunity and film, because I've been holding on to these goodies for, I want to say I've been holding on to this one since the beginning of June, and then this one about a week into June. So this one probably about maybe 3 weeks, and this one I've been holding on to like 2 weeks or so, and they've just been sitting there, and I'm like, I have to do an unboxing. I can't just like start, you know, wearing them. I just feel like I need to do a true unboxing for you guys. I enjoy watching these unboxings, so enough rambling. It's midnight. I'm not sponsored, but it would be nice. So excuse the broken nail. I'm gonna go get that fixed tomorrow because we're going to Mexico! Woo, woo. I'm so excited. We leave to Mexico, so I'm super excited. Now, enough rambling, right? Enough talking. Show us the good stuff. I agree with you guys. Let me just tell you a little bit of the story. Okay, so around the beginning of June, you know, I want to say it was June 8th. Around June 8th, you know, my sister-in-law and her family and my in-laws are going to Mexico. So I said, hey, I want to go too, right? So they're like, you know, come aboard, you know, let's go. You know, try and see if you can book because it's such late notice. She sent me all the details and blah, blah, blah. Well, I got on my computer and I typed away and I found us a flight and the same hotel, the same resort, right? So next thing you know, my son and myself, we don't have our passports, so we're rushing to San Francisco to the passport agency to get our passports. Well, we made a day out of it. We get there, they told us, you know what, we can't issue you guys the passport yet. You guys have to come back Thursday, because I think we went on a Tuesday. And so we went. Right after that, we're like, fine. We ended up to go have lunch, and we had to stop by Union Square. It's San Francisco Union Square, you know what I mean? So I park in the garage, and I was totally off that day, I swear. Like, I was like a titiris. That's what my brother-in-law calls me. He says I'm a titiri sometimes. But, okay, so we went. We made our stop. We ended up going to the Louis Vuitton in Union Square. Are you guys ready for this? Sorry. Okay, I'm so excited. They've been waiting for me. Like, oh my god, I've been holding these babies back. What kind of person am I? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So, please excuse the bags. They're a little wrinkly. Ginormous, right? Like, oh my god, this handbag looks so funny. Look at this. Let's get to it. Alright, so the famous Louis Vuitton ginormous bag. I'm pretty sure this is not the most ginormous bag, I swear, because I don't think it is. So this is the Louis Vuitton receipt. The essay that helped us at the Union Square, his name is George Tagama, client advisor, and this was at the Louis Vuitton Mason Union Square on 233 Geary Street, because I know there's a couple of Louis Vuittons in San Francisco, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm gonna keep the receipt out just because it's been a while since I purchased these and I might not know the names of some. Of course, I will link everything that I purchased down in the description box below for your reference. So without further ado, let's get started. Maybe I'll keep this on my lap. Okay, god, I don't even remember. What did I get? Oh, okay, here, we'll start here. Okay, this is the first box right here. Cute little sturdy box. I don't even want to open the ribbons because they just look so pretty, right? Keeping them like this. But I'm gonna have to. Okay, let's open. Oh my god, it has a noodle. The suspense. Alright, come on. Oh my god, George. Seriously? Oh my god. I need something. There we go. There we go. Don't panic. Breathe. Breathe. Alright. Ribbons off. Ribbons off. Okay, so here we go. Very first item, you guys. Just so you guys know, most likely I'm gonna have to break this video into 2 to 3 parts because I do have some good items that I need to share with you guys because, girl, ooh, ooh, I had fun. Alright, so the first item comes in this dust bag, and oh cool, he put the little the item number in the back. So this is what I was going for. This is the, let me read it. This is item number N64437, and as in Nancy. This is the Pachet Jour in the GM in the graffiti, damier graffiti print. Not sure. But anyways, I originally wanted the mono canvas. But when he brought that out, it just feels a little more, the canvas is very thin versus this one just seems a little more like heavy duty, you know. And of course I want to keep my Mac in here, my laptop in here, and I just thought this one was very suitable. See that? Super cute. This is my first Louis Vuitton item in this print. So I know I bought my son a key ring holder in this print, so I know this is a little more masculine, or it's in the men's the more masculine side, but I think I don't know, I can try it. Okay, so this is item number 1. It has silver, oh my god, I can't think of these words. What is this? The silver zipper thingy. That sounds so bad. So this is it again. I will do a more detail or in detail review on these items because I am that type of girl that I like to know the chisme, you know, like I want to know if it fits the lo que quería allá adentro or whatever, you know. So I'm gonna do that for you guys, and I'm gonna be like straightforward. Okay, so let's see, how much was this item? This item It's the Peugeot GM NM D Graph. That's what it says on the receipt. And this, it runs for $620 in the US, California. That's where I reside. And again, the item number was N as in Nancy 64437. That is item number 1. Let me go ahead and put this one away. And let's go on and move on to the next. So then the next item that I got, let me adjust this because nobody wants to see that. Come on. This, can you guys guess? Oh my goodness. I had so much fun. All right, let's untie this. Ah, so exciting. All right. Oh my God, he seriously like tied these knots. Como que no quería que los abriera. Oh my God. All right, I know these nails are good for something, so. Órale pues. So, there goes that. La Louis Vuitton box. Estas madres están super grandes. I swear they're getting bigger and bigger. But, let me put this box to the side because I swear. Here she is. Yes, it's a bag. It's a bag. Ah. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I swear. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Okay. So, dust bag. Ooh. Who is she? Who is she? Check her out, you guys. Oh my God. Let me check out the receipt because I swear I don't remember the name of her. I don't remember her name. This is the Marignan in Noir. Item number M as in Mary 44259. Here she is. I know she comes in multiple colors. I think there's a red, there's a nude. Not sure what other color it might come in, but this is it. Look at her. How pretty is she? So here, we can unflap her. And then the inside, it's like a suede material. And then she comes with a strap. Oh my goodness, don't fall. Let me strap her up. Oh my God. The smell is for reals. I love this. Love this. Ah. Oh my God, you guys. I need to do some mod shots with these because she's so pretty. Oh my God, look at that. Isn't she cute? Look at that. Isn't she like, oh my gosh, she's like so pretty. See that? And she has one pocket in the back. She has a deep pocket right here. One like cell phone and then one for like the keys. And then she has this other little pouch in the front. So she is super handy dandy. And this is all canvas, the monogram canvas. She has no feet, so let's see how she holds up. Let me try to lock her back up. Oh my God, she's just so pretty. All right, I'm gonna put her away.